Hi, I'm Kari Capone. Today we're going to learn how to start the triangle lace wrap. It's an easy crochet project that involves making a slip knot, doing the chain stitch, and learning to do the slip stitch. To begin the triangle lace wrap, we'll start with a slip knot. Make a tiny teardrop, push a small loop from the back to the front, and pull to tighten. Insert the hook through the loop, and now we're going to chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And insert the head of the hook into the very first chain. Wrap the yarn around and pull through 1, 2 loops on the hook. And although it doesn't look like a triangle, this is your first triangle, just like that. Now, chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8. So this tail is actually on the side like this, and this triangle comes right over here. So we're really making like a diamond. Even though it doesn't look like it right now, it will look that way when we stretch it out. So I do a slip knot here. Okay, so now here's our first 2 triangles. Trust the pattern, it's gonna look better. Okay, and now we're going to chain 8 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and this goes into the top of this triangle here. So again, a slip knot, forward to back, and bring the loop through both. So now we have 3 triangles, and we're going to make a 4th right there. So chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the slip knot goes in the junction really where you first made the slip knot, right there. Front to back, grab the yarn and through both loops. The next step is to chain 1, and we're going to slip stitch up this chain. We're going to slip stitch 4 times, once here, 2nd time here, 3rd time here, and 4th time here. That's so that the yarn will travel up the side of the work before we make more triangles. So push the hook through, grab the yarn, come through both. That's 1 slip stitch. Push the hook through, grab the yarn, come through both loops. That's the 2nd slip stitch. Push the yarn through, grab the yarn, and come through both loops, number 3, and finally number 4. Okay, and so now we have a larger triangle that's made up of 4 smaller triangles, and it kind of looks like a face. Hello! Thanks for watching. The Spring-Summer collection has arrived. Visit kariskits.com to buy the Triangle Lace Crochet Kit. Click below to join our VIP club and get a 20% discount code. Hey you guys! So, oh, I'm still recording. Lovely. Hey! No, I don't like that either. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel.